Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2024 Hot Wheels. Today we're here to open up a 64 Chevy Chevelle SS from the Mania series. Hello Reggie. Reginald here to visit. This is number 157 of 250 on the year and number 2 of 5 in that Mania series. What are Manias? Custom striped muscle cars that look good driving around town or racing. This is a 2024. Let's get it open, see how cool it is. Hard to ignore him because he's such a good boy. Ready, set, pop. Nice pop. Put it right back together if you needed to. That yellow does have some metallic in there. So it's metallic yellow. Very faint. You can see clearly inside too because it's got the chrome color. Steering on the left. Very cool. Everything is very cool about this car. Wow. Plastic bottom, metal top. This car is made in Malaysia. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. It's got a nice roll to it. Does it have a rebound to it? It's pretty cold out here. Pretty cold. 11 degrees last time I checked. Whoa! I did do a couple videos at the shop too. At my office, and they were not die-cast videos though. One was for cards. That's about all I'm going to do for that. And the other, I got a new Rubik's Cube for Christmas, so I unboxed that. Make sure you see that video. I like the new Rubik's Cube. It's a 2024 Rubik's Cube. Nice pose. So I can't wait to show it off. Dude, this thing poses nice. Striking poses every which way. This has some real big room in the back. Check it out. Real big room. A real lot of room in the back. For make-out mountain. Remember, I'm just 10 years old when I'm doing this, so something the teenagers were doing. Happy Days used to say, inspiration point. Oh, perfect striker pose on the line. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. And until next time, you turn out.